let me tell you a story. One story, wala na kaming makitang panggagalingan ng income because I do projects, walang project na pumasok. So I went to God. And your favorite place ko was the American Cemetery. I would go to the American Cemetery, sit down, have a one-on-one chat with the Lord. And I opened my Bible and I told God, sabi ko, paano yun ito? Because I believe that if a man takes responsibility over his finances and his family, he comes to God with that responsibility and asks God, God will definitely answer. That was my conviction. So I went to God. Sabi ko, Lord, binigay mo sa akin itong family na ito as my assignment. Ano gagawin ko? Walang project. You know what happened? Right there and then, my phone rang. Then I answered it. A client of mine who hasn't called me for a long time said, Bonnie, can you do a project for me? I want a loan of so much. But sabi ko, oo nga, no? Good. Sabi ko, God answered me. Pero ang problema, it takes at least 90 days before a loan's approved that I'm able to collect. Ang trabaho ko, nag-arrange ako ng funding for businesses, and then pag na-approve at na-release yung loan, I get a commission out of that. That's my business. No? Pagka nahihirapan sila sa pagbabayad ng loan, tinutulungan ko sila. Pag na-bankrupt sila, tinutulungan ko pa rin. Kumukolekta uli ako. That's how I make money. Okay? So during that time, I got the papers from my client and sabi ko, kailan mo kailangan ito? Sabi niya, Bonnie, next week. Ha? Sabi ko, that's impossible. That's impossible. So anyway, ginawa ko, I gathered the papers, I did the business plan, I submitted it to the bank, and then the banker said, Bonnie, kailan kailangan ito? Sabi ko, next week. Ha? Sabi niya, that's impossible. Sabi niya, that's impossible. Sabi ko, kailangan eh. Nag-isip siya, sabi niya. Tingnan namin, sabi niya. Nako, sabi ko, may pag-asa. And then, after 3 days, she came back to me and she said, Bonnie, na-approve yung loan mo. Ha? Sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? Ako nagtataka. Sabi niya, ang swerte mo naman, sabi niya. Sabi niya, the president of the bank invited us for lunch. This was before the Asian crisis, by the way. Ngayon, hindi na pwede ito. Had lunch with us. And then when we were talking about your project, he said, that's already approved. So it was approved. And I believe that this is where a Christian should stand. Where he knows his priorities, he's excellent in what he does, he obeys God, he reads the Bible and meditates on the Word of God, and does the natural, because God is in charge of the supernatural. You will experience the supernatural grace of God when you do what is natural to you. What you have done is obedience to God, and that is what He is waiting for. And this is the kind of men that we need today. Alright? So,